We're up, welcoming you again to the FUFA. Try very much and give everything to the brim. That's going to be a foul, but the referee says it's clean. Give it the world, but stolen away yet again. Logano. It's Logano. Goes for the shot. Deflect. Try very much and give everything to the brim. That's going to be a foul, but the referee says it's clean. Give it. Goes for the shot. Deflects away. Oh, Brian in, and unfortunately called out. It was actually Bruno Bunyaga. Denied by the referee. Gliding ball further inside. Chest on now by Bruno Bunyaga. Goalkeeper out of his line. It's Bruno again. Unfortunately, the experience of Isaac Isinde comes to play. The organized, shaping that ball poorly, really poorly. Lucky to get a corner. Adong Steven, from good really, very, very good. Supposed to be a work date, Thursday. Oh, the free kick there. Slowly, Joseph Semuju. Nice ball inside, header! Good serve, and the header, yes! It's in! Flag remains down. Did it cross the line? Wait a moment. Kaiwa. Flag remains down. The chase is on. Logano. Oh, Busoga Medwa! Another chance! Is it in? Yes, it's in! Glorious! This is on Logano. Oh, Busoga Medwa! Another chance! Is it in? Yes, it's in! Glorious! Emmanuel. Sajabi, the goal scorer. Now here they go. Matata. Jeremy Matata. Ngalo Fred. On the by he goes, and away Rogers Omedwa collects. This ball after 21. Saidi. Good delivery. Header back. That was close. Very, very close. Now goes for the hook. Deflects over. There is ball. Saidi Chayuni climbing up. Finally away by Odonk. Oof. We try and hang on and try and play. Jore gives that ball away to Semuju Joseph. Oh, it's Semuju. Semuju in the box area, goes for the shot. And collected well by Michael Lutaya. Passing. Semuju. Tibita on the run right now. Wamana on the crop. It was actually Penza gently well. Now to the wing side. Ngalo Fred. Good cross, and it's away. Oh, number 2! Clumsiness at the back. Really clumsiness at the back. Busoga United, surprise! United. Surprise! Logono Moses Logono. It was very heavy, but they still have the chance for the shot. And again, scooping away. Tibita controls. Tibita sub. Tibita over. Olaban Tibita. Saidi, that's a good ball. Saidi puts away by Michael Lutaya yet again. Shining hard. It's a bounce ball straight away to Lutaya. He'll be buying a few seconds there. Saidi cut back well, but back to the goalkeeper, Michael Lutaya. It was Enoch Walusimbi coming in there. Amisi deep into the box. Aliro with the cut back. Norman here. And Norman fights. Finally gotten away by Stephen Odongo. Passing up well to Norman. Norman, Saidi, up and away. Okabo! What a... Omedwa. Saying it long. Joseph Samuju. Jaso! Finally in the back of the net by Bruno Bunyaka. The move from Rogers Omedwa finally pays off. And Bruno Bunyaka scores his second goal of the season. Saidi, good header through, and totally wasted. And maybe Emmanuel is open. Bruno lays it up. 3 players. Norman! Well wasted. Oh, controlled well. Yet again, nice clearance there from Michael Lutaya. We have Bruno Bunyaga getting himself in some very good terms. Oh, they're cutting well, looking for more. That's a good ball throw! Oh, they're cutting well, looking for more. That's a good ball throw! That's it from Alira Moses! A true butcher from Lango, Moses Okabo Aliro. He opened his body to perfection and easily timed that well. It in Busoga United and URA. Well, I can guarantee you that for Busoga United, they won't be very pleased with themselves. They were leading by 2 goals to 0.
If you see the depth of our team, we could not really have some players to come from the bench and then change the game. But in fact, the first thing I have to appreciate the players was we met our target, our game plan, because we did it and achieved. But now how to manage it up to the last minute, it became a problem. That is why we conceded those 2 goals. And it was a defensive mistakes that made us concede the goals.
I'm not going to start giving myself his name. However, football is like chess. You know, you have to push pieces. You have to look at the opponent and then try to, change things based on how they're playing. You know, and I applaud my players because I walked in and I told them, hey guys, we need more. We need more because I'm sorry to say, but they were playing, a very poor team. And I said, yeah, you train very well, you eat well, you sleep well, URA supports you so well. So come back and give respect to the badge. Come back and give me some effort. Come back, I give you 10 minutes, and if you're not, doing what I want, I'm going to have to make changes. But you saw them, even in those 5 minutes that they played, I would have left them in.